Xiamen Jingwei Technology Company Limited is a professional enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of automated wire harness processing equipment. We are dedicated to providing efficient, stable, and intelligent integrated solutions to customers worldwide. Our product range covers the entire wire harness processing workflow, primarily including fully automatic integrated machines, such as fully automatic terminal crimping machines, fully automatic waterproof plug insertion machines, fully automatic soldering machines, etc., which integrate multiple functions to achieve unmanned and highly efficient production. Basic processing equipment, including computer wire stripping machines, large square cable stripping machines, ultra-silent terminal machines, servo crimping machines, etc., known for their excellent performance, stability, and durability. Special wire harness equipment, such as coaxial/ribbon cable stripping machines, computer bending machines, nylon cable tie machines, tape wrapping machines, etc., auxiliary peripheral equipment, such as automatic pipe cutting machines, wire winding and tying machines, etc. We possess a professional R&D team and advanced production facilities. Through continuous technological innovation and product optimization, our equipment is widely used in precision manufacturing industries such as automotive manufacturing, communication equipment, household appliances, and medical devices. Our products are exported to dozens of countries and regions globally, including India, Vietnam, the United States, Germany, and Brazil, and are highly trusted and well-received by our customers. Adhering to the principle of customer-centric, quality for survival, we are committed to becoming your most reliable partner. Jingwei Technology, the wise choice for intelligent wire harness processing.